Hey everyone. So I've got a couple questions lately about people who are wondering, like, oh, I want to try different models, but I don't know what is the right model to use, and I don't want to use OpenAI or Anthropic or Gemini because they're really expensive. And I heard that there are open source models or just much cheaper models that I can use. And I really found this app Together AI to be one of the best tools for using different models and just learning about the models themselves. They have incredible documentation. I'll just quickly go through here. It looks like these are the models that I have. However, they have literally like every model you can think of that you can use, and some of them are free. And you could try them out and use them for different things. They have embedding models, text models, image generation. And what I really like as well is you can also fine tune your own models, add custom models. It's really your one-stop shop. And one thing that I really like about it is there's one API for Together AI. And as you can see, the pricing is super simple. It's what are you spending? What's your credit balance? So yeah, I would highly recommend trying this out. Add a system prompt, change up the tool that you're using. You can search tools, play around with it. But what I found super interesting is actually the documentation. They explain all of the main models like DeepSeek, Llama, Kimi, like what are these, how to prompt them properly. And then they go through all the capabilities, which is great. How do you do this? How do you do structured outputs? How do you do function calling? I found from just going through this website, it gave me a really good idea of what is the state of the art in all of these different tools and what can you use. Like one example I really liked a lot is like all of these examples of actual tools and workflows that you could build. For example, you could build a sequential workflow like with Together AI, and it's going to show you how to do that. It's going to give you the code. So if you want to go into Jupyter Notebooks, you can actually run this code and try it out. And then they have all of these guides, like how do you build a RAG system with Next.js? How do you do re-rank, OCR, mixture of agents? All of it is explained here. It's so amazing, and you can actually use it. I read through these docs and learned a lot for sure. It's going to help in a lot of other things I'm doing as well. So would highly recommend trying out Together AI, getting an API key, and then just playing around with the different models and see if those would actually fit within your app system. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. I would love to explore it further and post another video about it.